behavioral town, and it's like, and sometimes people lose valuable things in the grass. Yes, this game is like Animal Crossing from like EDS, the 3DS, whatever. So, yay! That's my daughter. I adopted her, and this is me. Let's go into my house. That's my house. It's super small. I'm gonna place this birthday cake. No. What happened? Oh. Look at all that food. Yeah. So, I'm gonna try to go play. Go and play. Yes. Oh my god, my farm has a lot of plants. And flowers. You have enough food to sustain the town for 6 days. Yay. Go harvest this flower. And somebody wanted it. Palolo. That name. Let's go water my flowers. Oh, wait, no. You can't water that one. Oh my god, it's Ladybug. Wait, no. No! Let's capture this Ladybug. No, it was too late. You can still catch it. Catch it. Catch it, catch it, catch it. Catch it! I catched a cranefly. Catch this. Yes! I caught a ladybug. Isn't that wonderful? And now let's go harvest some of these. Take this. Take this. Take this. I have enough food for 5 days. Well, let's let these people take the food. And we'll just all the rest. At the general store. Let's go. Okay. Let's sell some potatoes. Let's sell this ladybug. Yay. You guys want to check out our museum? Of course. You guys want to check out our museum. Here it is. My daughter's following me. This is my mineral collection. Let's go in. Let's see. I have nothing. Cute. I have jasper, quartz, talc, and amethyst. And a gate. I don't know. Okay. My plant collection is the smallest collection you've seen in your entire life. I swear. It's only green ivy and lime and lemon Maranta. And I have a lemon Maranta in my thing. Oh, and my insect is kind of huge, not much. It's very little, kind of. My bug collection. Let's see. So I have a crane fly, a grasshopper, a tiger beetle, horsefly, a grass spider, a ladybug, and that's it right now. A cicada, I think, a trapdoor spider. Ooh, that was kind of freaky when you catch that one. I'm sick. Yes, you guys probably guessed I was sick already. I don't have anything else to donate, I think. How I run. Look at how I run. Oh, let's go to the town hall. This is the town hall. Perfect. I get to do little tiny mini games or like stuff. I just heard from Mom that the museum was robbed. They took some valuable. Oh my god, they stole my minerals. I was just there. Gone pay. Okay, let's go find these minerals. Are you one of them? Do I need to dig you up? You found a stolen mineral. Oh, sorry, that's how you do it. Oh my god, let's go trap this right here. Spider. No! Okay, whatever. There. Dig. Perfect. Wait. No. Dig here. Let's go talk to this fella to give him his flower. Yes, I do have it. It's right here. I really appreciate this. Do you want this? Bath mat. Thanks for my bath mat. Thank you. Ooh, let's go. Okay. Thank you. Oh, my show is gonna break soon. I have to buy a new one. Oh, this sucks. Where? I don't find it here. Can you run here? Come run. Run. Run faster. Faster. Perfect. Do you think he'll last with 3 more digs? He might. Let's start looking. Oh, here it is. Yes, you're gonna last for 1 more. Perfect. And then we're gonna get our coins. Perfect. Oh, but there's some extra right here. I'll get an extra 5 coins. Extra 5 coins. Yes. there's always like two extras. There's always two extras around here somewhere. No? Well, also, over here, there's like lots of treasures. So, I want to like go over here. See, there's new insects. A lot of new insects. There's lots of weeds, so I can like turn them out, but I can go fishing, I think. First of all, I need to fix this bridge, which will cost 500 coins for 5 days, which is 2,500 coins, and I don't have enough, but I'm getting there. Let's try to get these spiders. Perfect. That's awesome. You think there's gonna be other different spiders anymore? I like catching insects. It's like super fun. There's always insects on these trees, but what? Okay, well you're playing all the way over here. Cool. What was that noise? Never mind. Okay. Oh, let's go to my house to put the bathroom. Those holes are ugly. Super ugly. Okay, well, this is my house. I think it's my house. Wait, yes, this is my house. I wanted it near these shops type things. Get in there. And now let's place this mat that somebody gave me. Okay. At least 5 sources of food. Okay. It's really small. I want this like in front of the door right here. It looks nice, I guess. Sure. Let's see. I don't really think there's much to do here anymore. I need to save up money, so I don't really want to spend anything. Spend nothing. And oh, there's trash. Let me pick this trash up. Run towards there. Alright, you're gonna walk. Any more spiders or something? No spiders for me. Okay. Perfect, I guess. Okay. I never told you to walk here, did I? Pick this up. And pick this up. And pick this up. Perfect. Oh, pick this piece up too. Yes, thank you. What are you doing? Has it cold? You have a cold? Oh. 1 of 4 of your town residents have eaten today. Let's feed you guys. We're gonna have to feed you because you guys are hungry. Take this carrot. Take it. Take it. Have you guys eaten already? Wait. Okay, 2 of them have eaten. Perfect. Here's a potato. And 1 more person still hasn't eaten. Have you eaten already? I think you did. Here. No, you ate twice. You ate twice. Can't believe you. Do something like that. Okay, let's see. What is it? Man. Where could you be? Are you hiding from me? Are you at your house? Oh. Found this at least. No. Okay. Dig that up. Oops. We're digging that up. Let's go find that person that hasn't eaten yet. Where are you? Trying to look innocent. Haha. Also, I couldn't find that guy, so I'm just gonna sell the potato I had. So these, whoa, these are expensive. Oh, I'm glad I got it then. Okay. I think this is all for now. Yeah, this is like a lot like Animal Crossing. I guess. I see people play it. I don't have it myself, but I see people play it. And where were you this whole time? I was looking for you. You were hiding from me. That means you're not going to eat anymore. See? Yes, you're not going to eat anymore. I'm sorry. Okay, well, I think this is all for today. If you guys want this game, it's called Virtual Town, made by my favorite company. Last Day of Work. That's the company's name. So you should definitely play this game. I really like it. It's really awesome. So, yeah, thanks. Bye.